Every society needs to make an effective use of the scarce resources, goods, and the services have to be produced to meet the basic needs such as food, clothing, shelter, etc. Economic institutions are responsible for organizing the production, exchange, distribution, and the consumption of the good and the services. Economic institution is also one of the basic institutions for the sake of survival. Each society has an economic system ranging from the simple to complex. Economic is the social institutions that ensures the maintenance of society through the production, distribution, and the consumption of the good and the services. Economic Economy is the social institution that organizes society production, distribution, and the consumption of the good and the services. Economy system is the complex of interrelated institutions through which the economic activities of man is expressed. What do you mean by the goods and the services? Goods are the tangible objectives that are necessary, such as the food, clothes, and the shelters, or the desire. Uh, and the other thing is the services. Services are intangible activities for which people are willing to pay, such as dry cleaning, movie, or the medical cares. Let's talk about some of the structure of the economic institution. We divide the economic institution into three parts: the primary one, the secondary one, and the tertiary ones. What is the primary one? The extraction of the raw material and the resources from the environment, and this is known as the primary economic institution. For example, agriculture, raising animal, fishing, forestry, or it could be crops, it could be livestock, fisher, or forestry. Other one is the secondary production, the processing of the raw materials from primary sectors into a finished good. For example, steel worker process metal, auto workers then convert into automobiles, trucks, buses. On a large scale, it is a manufacturing. Small scale, uh, it could be engineering, could be products, paper, board, food, beverage, tobacco products. All these things are known as, or the production is known as, the secondary economic institutions. The last one is the tertiary one, the provision of the services rather than goods. Tertiary sector production includes a wide range of the activities such as the fast food services, transportation, communication, education, real estate, advertising, sports, and entertainment. If we move on to the deep analysis of the structure of the economic institutions, so we divide into three parts. The number one is the property ownership. An economic system is the system of production and the exchange of the goods and services, as well as the allocation of the resources in a society. Property ownership is the key of element of the economic structure, as it is defines who owns and control the means of the production, like the property. The major economic system during the industrial revolution, we divide into three parts. The number one is the capitalism, the other one communism, and the third one socialism. So the first one is the capitalism. Capitalism, an economic system, believes in individual ownership and the competition, freedom to succeed and freedom to fail. Private ownership of the capital, means of productions. Profit is a motivator, competition is a regulator, not government. Under the pure capitalism, almost all goods would be provided by the private sector. Or you can say it is a survival of the fittest. Only the strong survive in the capitalism. The other one is communism. Communism, again, it's a kind of economic system. It believes in a collective group ownership and planned economy, like government makes decision. So whenever I talk about the planned economy, so it means the government will make a decision. Now what